Hello, this is Arthur again, and today we're gonna take a look at this very nice 2002 Mercedes E55 AMG. This is a W210 body. It's the last year of this body style, sold in the United States. This car has 172,000 miles. It does have the factory AMG 18-inch wheels on it. It is slightly lowered. I believe it has H&R springs on it. It rides really nicely, handles great too, very smooth ride. Looks very nice. The owners recently acquired it. He did have a little bit of paint work done on the roof and on the pillars, as some of it was a little bit faded, and the wheels were refinished and they look like new. A little bit brake dust on them, but other than that they look like in new condition. These have pretty good power, very reliable 5.4 V8, 350 horsepower, 390 pound-feet of torque. Let's look at the inside. Has a nice black leather interior with a dark wood trim, in great condition. Usually this part will peel off often on these cars, and a lot of the interior doesn't hold up very well, but this one is actually in very nice condition. As you can see, 172,000 miles. A couple of pixels are a little bit weak on a cluster, but it's very common. And this one has the rear navigation option. Most of them didn't have it. It does have heated seats, and also it has the lumbar support for the seats with separate adjustments, which kind of came on the older Recaro seats, and this Mercedes is pretty cool. Seats are in pretty good shape. The passenger one is in exceptional condition. Headliner looks good as well, not too much marks or anything for a 22-year-old car. The back as well, it's like in great shape. I'm a fan of these cars. They're not very expensive to buy or expensive to run. They are definitely unique because it's an AMG car and it has a nice power, drives well, it's not that heavy, it doesn't have the complicated ABC suspension or air suspension. It does have a 5-speed automatic. Gonna take a look at under the hood. Here's under the hood. This one has the 5.4 liter and 113 engine, 349 horsepower, 391, I believe, pound-feet of torque. These engines are known to be very reliable. They do run 16 spark plugs. That can get pretty expensive if you want to do a basic spark plug replacement. This one looks like it has an oil leak from the oil filter housing and oil cooler. We might address that today. Also has a failed oxygen sensor. Gonna have to check on that, see which one is it, and see if the owner wants to replace it. Overall, fantastic car. I really like it. I'm gonna lift it up and we're gonna take a look at it from the bottom. Let's take a look at the bottom of this W210 AMG. Let's go start from the back. So you can see it has the dual exhaust. This one has a Magnaflow exhaust on it. It is a little bit louder than stock, not too loud. Sounds pretty good, not too drony. It has Bilstein shocks on it. Looks like, I'm not sure what springs are these. They might be iBox, because I don't think I've seen red H&Rs before. These were off sometimes. This one looks like is in pretty good shape. It's not cracked up. And it had a resonator installed recently because they had an X-pipe and I guess it was pretty drowny, and now it is better. See a 5-speed transmission. It's a transmission mount that often fails and can cause pretty big vibrations. This one seems like to be replaced not that long ago. Looks like we do have a leak, which could be coming from valve covers or might be rear main seal. I'll take a better look at it. Again, Bilstein's up front and lowering springs. Looks like that oil filter housing and oil cooler leak got to this part as well. I'm gonna take a look at that a little later, remove the covers and see if we can fix that. Other than that, there's no rust, there's no damage from the bottom or anything like that. Solid car. Needs a couple of repairs with leaks, oxygen sensor, and it should be a very nice daily driver. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come.